One video, one factory. Hello everyone, I'm Tom. Today we arrived at an electronic manufacturing factory that has been established for over 20 years. Since establishment in 2003, the factory has continuously focused on the OEM and SMT manufacturing of electronic products, adhering to the core philosophy of excellence in every aspect. Customer first. In the world of electronics manufacturing, trust is built on what you can see. Today, we will take you to an exclusive journey to explore the heart of the electronic manufacturing factory. Every detail you will witness is the factory's commitment to excellence. From precise automotive electronics to reliable medical devices, the factory provides the manufacturing foundation for global brands. When entering into the core manufacturing area, everything begins with absolute control and purity. The factory adheres to the ESD S2020 International Electrostatic Standard, protecting the inherent precision of your sensitive components from the very first step. In front of us is a manufacturing hub consisting of 7 highly precision and cutting-edge SMT production lines. The fully automated surface mount machine accurately locates thousands of components with ultra-high speed and micrometer level precision, which is a perfect fusion of skill and high efficiency. The factory's daily assembly capacity reaches 20 million points, and the average daily assembly output exceeds 8,000 units. It can quickly respond and efficiently meet the diverse manufacturing demands of customers. For complex plug-in processes, the factory operates 3 fully automated DIP and wave soldering lines. And when unique craftsmanship is required, the experienced engineering team delivers impeccable results under microscopes. Quality must be measurable. The factory's automated optical inspection systems act as stylish eyes of quality, eliminating potential defects at the microscopic level. Here is the ultimate testing ground before the products leave the factory. Functional testing, online testing, high-temperature aging, program burning, etc. The factory tailors a testing solution for you to ensure that every delivered product is 100% in line with expectations. This rigor is powered by the systems ISO 9001, ISO 14001, IATF 16949 automotive-grade quality, ISO 13485 medical devices standards are not just certificates on the wall, but a management DNA ingrained in the production process. From a sophisticated PCBA to a complete turnkey product, the factory provides end-to-end integration services. Assembly, packaging, logistics. The factory handles the final mile, so you can deliver to the market with confidence. The factory supports deep OEM and ODM collaboration. Moreover, the factory understands the journey of innovation. Thus, it supports orders starting from just one piece. With scalable capacity and scientific supply chain management, the factory commits to turning your blueprint into reality within 10 to 40 days. Choosing a factory is more than selecting a supplier. It is choosing a reliable, flexible, and dedicated manufacturing partner. Excellence in manufacturing, empowerment for you. The factory has always adhered to scientific management and promoted process innovation. With solid SMT and PCBA manufacturing capabilities, it injects strong and reliable momentum into your industrial upgrading and innovative development. We are here looking forward to creating a new chapter of intelligent products together with you.